Keying refers to the sloped edges as a result of not having the camera in the center of the subject, such as taking a photograph of a building. You can see how the edges slope, causing an unwanted effect. To fix this, click Select All or Control A on a PC or Command A on a Mac. Next, hit the Free Transform key or Control T on PC or Command T on a Mac. The next step is to right-click on the photo and choose Skew. You then want to drag the corners, usually the top, outwards until the walls appear straight. You'll have to do this on both sides several times, and when you're finished, hit Enter and you're done. The downside of this is that you lose part of the image. So in order to avoid that, the latest version of Photoshop has generative fill built in. Let's see how it works. The first thing we do is crop the photo. Make sure your crop ratio is set to clear. You leave a little bit of space on both sides as well as on the top, like this. Now set your guides to the edge of the photo so the finished image will be the same size. Then make sure Generative Expand is selected from the drop-down list and hit Enter. It'll fill the sides and top with what AI thinks should be there. You then have 3 choices from which to pick. Next, flatten the layers. Next, repeat the steps from above. Select All or Control A on a PC or Command A on a Mac. Then you hit the Free Transform key or Control T on a PC or Command T on Mac. The next step is to right-click on the photo and choose Skew. You then want to drag the corners, usually the top, outwards until the walls appear straight. You'll have to do this on both sides several times. Now with the image still selected, right-click on the photo and choose Scale. Then drag the corners until the desired image is within the guides. If you want to stretch the image, hold down the Shift key and drag the sides or bottom nodes. When you're finished, hit Enter. Lastly, draw a crop box within the guides and you'll have a skew-corrected image, the same size as your original. As with all Photoshop Quickies, for best results, pause your video as you work through the steps.